Hi, good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are you all doing? Are we all doing all right? Yeah? You sure? Well, I just finished filming the Mac declutter. I hope you enjoyed that. It is linked down below if you would like to go and watch that video. You can tell me what you think about that video. Alright, so you're going to have to forgive me. My camera's not working properly right now. I have one of those flip top screens, so when you can flip the back up and you can see what you're doing when you're filming. Mine has stopped working. It's just a completely blank screen. So I am hoping that you can see me okay and I'm focused. That's what I'm hoping. And I'm just going to crack on and do this video. So today I'm going to continue with my May Ipsy unboxings. And the one I'm doing today is the BoxyCharm by Ipsy, which is the second tier box. So the second tier box costs, oh, how much does it cost? It costs $30. Plus the $2 handling fee, so it's $32 in total, which is about £28, I think it is, our money. Let me just have a quick check, see how much it is our money. Right, $32 is £25.14. So that's where you're going to get 5 full-size items. You can pick 3 items and BoxyCharm or Ipsy pick 2 items for you. The 2 items they pick they call power picks. The 3 items you pick are your choices. What I also do as well, I also get the boost, the power boost, or the beauty boost they call it, and that's an item where it's an additional item you can get. You pay $15 for that additional item, and the item will have it will have a value of at least $40. So I can't remember what the boost item was in May, but I'm sure we will come across it when we do it. So let me just crack on. So let me just crack on and show you what I got. So this is the BoxyCharm by Ipsy box. So there we go. That's the box there. Okay, let me do my little thumbnail picture. Okay, all right. I'm doing all of that. I feel like I'm talking to myself because I can't see myself. It's really, really weird. Really weird. Anyway, let's just go ahead and see what we got here. So the first item was from Ahava, and that's this. This is a hydration cream mask. You can get Ahava in some places in the UK, not a full range of products, but you can get some products in the UK here. So if this is available in the UK, I will put a picture of the item on the screen and I'll show the UK price for it as well. But here, this is 100 mils, sorry, it's $37. Hydration cream mask, yeah, it's just a hydration cream mask. What it does, this is what it looks like. So skin feeling parched, this creamy face mask is made with Ostmata. It's a trademarked item. Ahava's signature blend of Dead Sea minerals that helps bring serious moisture to your skin. Enriched with the Dead Sea's renowned mud and shea butter, this mask will leave your face feeling hydrated, replenished and relaxed. So there you go, there's that item. So Ahava Israeli brand, and most of the products feature the Dead Sea minerals in there, so Dead Sea clay minerals and so forth. So that's okay, not the most exciting of products, but it is what it is. So that was the first item. I should say May was not an exciting month in terms of the glam bags and BoxyCharm. But the icon box is where it's all at, so I will do the icon box at some point later in this week. Don't you worry, it's coming. The next item is this. I've shown you this already because I purchased it as an add-on as well. So this was an item that was chosen for me by Ipsy. This is from Ciate London, and it's an I Am Woman 24 shade eyeshadow palette, volume 2. And that's it. I'll show you the one that is opened already because that one is all sealed. Let me show this to you. It is a product that is sold here in the UK, and it is £41 here in the UK. So I'll show this to you. So the other one which I've got, well, this one I'll put because I've opened this one now. That's what it looks like. So you can see it's mainly sort of purpley shades, but still lots of sort of neutral shades in there, a few pinks and purples, that sort of thing in there, and that's what it looks like. I am not going to put this in the giveaway. I'm what I've decided I'm going to do, I'm going to do a beauty box for sale. So that is coming. I haven't created the box yet, but that is coming. So this is the one which is all sealed and unopened. This is the one I'm going to put in the beauty box for sale. So that's the second item in my box. I'm going to have to get up in a minute because I've got some rice cooking. I don't want my rice to burn. Next item is from, should be here, I hope. Is this it? No? Where is it? Here we are. The next product is from Huda Beauty. So we've got a big brand here, and this is item I picked. So the first two items, the Harbour Mask and the Seattle London palette, those are the two items, the power picks that were picked for me by Ipsy. This is the first of my choices. This is from Huda Beauty, and it's a Balmy Brows Full and Fluffy Fibre Gel. This will be available here in the UK. It's worth $19. It's a rich brow, and it's just a brow gel product. So if I'll show it to you quickly, and then I'm going to run to the kitchen. So this is what it looks like. It's great packaging. It's nice packaging. It's kind of angular, the packaging, and this is what it is. So it's just something you do that, and you can just fix your brows in place. Yep. So that's the first of my choice items. I will be back in a minute. I've got to go and check on that rice. I'm just paranoid about burning it. Back in a sec. Okay, right. Rice is okay. It's all good. So let's continue. The next item, so this is my second choice, and this was a set of eyeshadow brushes from a brand I've never heard of before. Yeah, this is a brand I've never heard of before, and it's MIA by Maciel, and it's an eye brush trio. Let's have a look. So they're saying it's worth $35. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's just a set of eyeshadow brushes. So this trio of essential eye brushes will make doing your makeup a daily indulgence. It features 3 of the brand's most popular brushes: the Virgo Tapered Blending Brush, Libra Definer Brush, and the Cancer Eyeshadow Brush. Each one is crafted with synthetic vegan bristles and feel luxurious on the skin. Right, excuse me. The design looks interesting. I'm just looking because it looks like the ferrules are quite interesting. So look, there you go. So I hope you can see that. The ferrules are got this slightly unusual metallic gridded sort of thing. And you've got the name here. Feels decent quality. Okay. Yeah. And then you've got the other two here, same thing. I think I'll keep these actually. These seem nice. They seem rather nice. I haven't kept a set of eye brushes for a while, so I'll keep those ones. Because I'm really short on eyeshadow brushes. More like I'm just lazy when it comes to washing them. Okay, so that's that set. So those are $35 for the 3. It seems expensive, but then some eyeshadow brushes can be really, really expensive. Right, and my final pick was from Half Caked Beauty, and this is the Script Primer Lip and Liner. So they're saying it's clean beauty. You know I don't believe in all this clean beauty thing. So let's have a look and see what it says. So it's worth $18. The colour is AM to PM. Introducing your favourite new lip duo for an unbeatable pout, this Dusty Rose combo features a primer that hydrates and conditions and a lip liner that enhances and defines your lip shape. Whether you wear these alone or pair them with your favourite lip combo, these will easily become your go-to. So it's a primer and a lip liner. I thought it was a lipstick and a lip liner. The lip liner in the picture looked like it could be a dark brown, but I bet it isn't, because the only colour I'm interested in is a dark brown. So that's what it looks like. So this must be the primer part of it. Don't want to scrape up like that. So you cover your all lips like that. So I'm assuming that's going to moisturize, hydrate and provide a nice base. And this is the lip liner bit. Let's have a look at that colour. Yeah, that colour is not for me. Yeah, it's not for me at all. I'm going to put this in my giveaway or box for sale, one of the two. Alright, so that's going over there. So that was a product I picked, which was okay. So as I said, the choices weren't great. They really weren't great in May. So let's have a look. And I think the next lot of products were my add-ons, I believe. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, so the next lot of products were my add-ons. So I picked 3 add-ons. So the first one was this again. So you'll see a few of these in videos. So this is the Actonacea hair scalp serum. I told you about that. That cost 74 quid here, and I paid, what was it again I paid? I can't remember if it was either $12 or $18 for it. So there's that. Then the next product I picked was from Beauty For Real. I wasn't sure what the colour was, but it sounded to me like it could be interesting. So Beauty For Real, and it was a lip revival essential hydration serum lipstick. So this is the packaging for it. The colour is, what's the colour? Neutral. As soon as I see that word, I'm just like, oh boy, neutral for who? It's not usually neutral for me, but let's cross fingers and hope that it is. I mean, the colour, the picture online, it looks like it should be like a brownie, a deep pink brownie colour, but you know it's going to be that, I reckon it's going to be that standard colour we get for everything. Yep, that's what it looks like. I mean, it's great packaging and everything. Actually, the colour doesn't look that bad. Oh god, I've still got all my swatches on from when I did my MAC. Let me get rid of some of this makeup on my hands so I can do a swatch. So that's what the colour looks like. Let's do a little swatch. That's not bad. I can get away with that. Maybe I can put it on top of what I've got on at the moment. Don't know if it'll show up. Don't think it's showing up really, is it? Not really showing up, but that's good. It just means it's a colour that I can wear. So that's okay. I'm alright with that. So keeping that, and then I've got 2 more items in here. Oh yes, I'm seeing one. I did say that I did go a little bit mad on the eye products in May, and I've got another one of these, the Kat Burke Nutrient C eye cream. This, I can't remember how much it was, but I remember it cost a fortune over here in the UK. So I may put this in the beauty box for sale, because I've got 2 already and I've got some other eye creams in my other boxes. So I may put this one in the beauty box for sale. It is a very high value item. What was it? Was it £74 or something like that for this? Can't remember, but this will go in the box for sale. And then also I've got bloody hell, how many things did I buy? How comes that one? So this one is in a, this one was like that, and then this one seems to be the same thing but in a box. Let's have a look. Ah, this one is in the new packaging. This is in the new packaging. Okay. Interesting, interesting. Because when you look at this online, on the sites I've seen, this is the packaging that it comes in. So I don't know if this is the newer version and this is just the older version, but it's all good. So got a few of these, so I'm going to be putting this one in my beauty box for sale. So for my beauty box for sale so far, I've definitely got these 2 items. So alright, okay, that's over £100 worth of products there, because this is what, £41, and I can't remember, but I think this was like £70. So we're already at what, £110 already for just 2 items in my beauty box for sale. And when I do the beauty box for sale, it'll be sold for £30 plus £5 postage and packaging. But I need to build up my stock first, and then I'll sell that box on. Alright guys, so that was my Box of Charm by Ipsy for May. What do we think? What do we think? We've got, so, look at the main items. Actually, I'll tell you what's missing. My boost item. There should be a boost item here. So it looks like that the shipping company put the stuff in the wrong box. Let's just get the boost item. Okay, you know what I think has happened? I think I said in one of my Ipsy glam bag videos, I think it was in the Ipsy glam bag videos, the first one, I said that there was an item that was taken out of my glam, out of my consolidation box to be shipped over here because it contains CBD. I'm actually wondering if that was the product, my boost item was the product they took out. So what I should have, and I haven't found it in the rest of my stuff here, is a product from Glow Recipe, and no, yeah, it's a product from Glow Recipe. So the Kat Berkey eye cream, this was the boost item for this one, and then for my icon box, it should have been the Glow Recipe. So it might be in the icon box. I'm hoping so. I don't want to say anything. If you remember, with the Box of Charm by Ipsy, we get a boost item. So I mentioned that at the beginning, and it's something that's going to have a value of at least $40, but we're paying an extra $15 for it. So instead of $32, we're paying $45 for my box. And my boost item was this Kat Berkey Nutrient C eye cream. So this was the more up-to-date version of the eye cream. So not sure what's going on there, but this was my boost item which I chose for this box. So that's so cool. And they're saying that it's got a $90 value, and it's what, £74 or something like that here. Let me just double quick check to let you know. Not yet, tell a lie, it's £90 here as well for this. Bloody hell. So yeah, Sephora selling this for £90. So one of those is going to be, God blimey. So one of those is going to be going in my beauty box for sale when I do put it on for sale. Alright, and the other, I've got 3 of these now, I'll be keeping. Flipping heck, so expensive. But yeah, so there you go. So that's my Box of Charm by Ipsy box. I hope you enjoyed that video. I will be doing the icon box probably later on this week. And what else am I doing this week? I've also got my Deguster box that was delivered here. I came home, I found it here. So my Deguster box is here as well. So I'll probably be filming that maybe tomorrow or on Thursday. But that's what's coming all this week. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this filmed properly because I can't see what's going on, so I hope it has filmed properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Alright guys, take care, see you soon, bye.